Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hollow Knight on Mac. This beloved action-adventure game is readily available for Mac users, offering a fantastic experience. We'll cover the primary way to get started, which is through its native Mac OS version. Additionally, we'll explore other options that can enhance your gameplay or help if you face any compatibility challenges. Let's dive into the details and get you exploring Hallownest. The most straightforward way to play Hollow Knight on your Mac is by using its native version available on Steam. First, download and install the Steam client, then simply purchase and install the game. It's crucial to check your Mac's specifications. You'll need at least Mac OS version 10.13, an Intel Core i3 processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 9 GB of available storage for the game to run smoothly. Many Apple Silicon Macs also run it well via Rosetta 2. If the native version doesn't perform as expected, or if you prefer other options, several alternatives are available. Compatibility layers like Crossover or Porting Kit can help run the Windows version of the game on your Mac. Another option is using virtualization software, such as Parallels Desktop, to create a Windows environment. For those with slower Macs, cloud gaming services like Xbox Cloud Gaming or GeForce now allow you to stream the game directly, requiring only a stable internet connection. To truly enhance your Hollow Knight experience, consider a few optimization tips. Always keep your Mac OS and graphics drivers updated to ensure peak performance. For the best gameplay, connect a compatible game controller. Many modern controllers work seamlessly. If you experience any lag, try adjusting the in-game graphics settings, perhaps lowering the resolution or detail to achieve a smoother frame rate. Enjoy your journey through the captivating world of Hallownest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.